In this lesson, we will understand the MCP architecture with its components. Let us start. The MCP is built on a client-server architecture, enabling seamless interaction between AI applications, which acts as clients, and specialized data services that function as servers. This communication is facilitated through a standardized protocol ensuring consistency, reliability, and interoperability across different systems. The architecture of MCP, as shown in the image, can be understood through three core components. The first one is AI client, that is applications that request and consume contextual data. Second is MCP protocol, that is the standardized communication layer that governs how requests and responses are exchanged. The third one is MCP servers, dedicated services that provide structural data and context to the AI clients. Together, these components form a cohesive ecosystem where AI systems can efficiently access, process, and leverage contextual information. Now let us see the overview of AI client and MCP protocol. AI client oversees the user interface and manages conversational flows. It coordinates which MCP servers are engaged to provide tools and resources, serves as the intermediary between end users and the underlying AI or automation services, handles session management and user consent, maintaining strict security boundaries across servers. Now let us see what is an MCP protocol. It defines a standardized communication framework typically built on JSON, RPC, specifies message formats, authentication mechanisms, error handling, and support for streaming interactions, ensures seamless interoperability between clients and servers while upholding security and access control policies. Now let us see the third component, that is MCP servers. MCP servers form the backbone of the MCP architecture. They are designed to deliver functionality in a modular, secure, and context-aware way. On-demand capabilities, that is MCP servers provide access to data sources, specialized tools, or custom logic whenever required. Protocol-driven functions, they expose operations such as web scraping, search, data extraction, and other utilities through standardized protocol primitives. In our case, we will do web scraping through Firecrawl. Isolated processes, that is each server runs independently, either locally or remotely, and is restricted to only the specific data needed for a given request, ensuring strict context boundaries and minimizing risk. So in this lesson, we understood what is an MCP architecture. We also understood the three components of MCP architecture.